this is Dr. Ramsey, your weight loss habitologist. And today, this video might be a little longer, but I think you're gonna really like it. So I am a huge fan of line dancing. And so I'm gonna show you how to do the U line dance since it's the hottest one of the summer right now. I'm sure there's gonna be plenty more to come out, but this one is my favorite one. So I'm gonna show you really fast. I'm gonna turn around and show you the basics. And then after that, I'm gonna turn on the music, and that's gonna be our 5 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna turn around. And the song has four, can't count, 4 steps to it, okay? And so you're just gonna do 2 steps forward, 2 steps back, and then a single step forward and a single step back. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then you're going to do all that together and bring out your leg twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, single, 1, 2. There you go. That's 1. Then your second step is from here, you're going to go across your leg over in the front and then over to the side. Then you bring your left leg to the front and then your right leg out. And then you do the exact same thing in reverse. Right leg comes back, and then your left leg comes back. Now, if you're stuck and you're like, oh my God, Melissa, what did you just do? Keep it easy. What you also saw me do was this. So for my rhythmless people, that's all you gotta do, right? And then, so once you're done that step, this leg is out here, and you're gonna do a cha-cha step forward and then a cha-cha step back. So it's a 1, 2, 3, turn, 1, 2, 3, turn. Then you're ready for the last step. And this is how we actually turn, and then we start the dance again. So it's a grapevine. So I'm gonna show you without the hands first, just your grapevine. So you're gonna turn into a grapevine to your right. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? So I'm gonna turn back because this is how we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna add the hands. So the hands just kind of go in, and have fun with it, right? Because this is your dance, right? It's when that song comes on, yes! Ah! So I'm gonna show you all one round without the music. So it's 2 step forward, 2 step back, 1, da, 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 cha-cha, cha-cha, grapevine, grapevine. And we've already turned, we're doing it again. Okay? So now I'm gonna do it again with the music.